we cannot forget that our goal is to pass the MTA Windows Operating System Fundamentals exam. We have to go back and see what Microsoft might ask us to do if you decide to take this exam. The easiest way is to visit this link and you will see a list of topics that you have to master. It is a pretty basic exam, so I do not expect Microsoft to ask you any sophisticated questions. We have Windows 10 in place, we know how to install it. Now we have to, in a way, go back and start from scratch, see what Microsoft wants us to know. We'll start with the first section, understanding operating system configurations. We have, I think, 4 or 5 topics over there, and literally we'll go through every single objective that you can see on your screen at the moment, and we'll talk about everything that you can see. This is what you have to do if you want to take this MTA exam. You have to verify all exam objectives and make sure that you understand every single word that is over there. We'll start with the control panel options and we'll see how we can configure Windows 10. I hope it makes sense now why I started with, in a way, point number probably 4 or 5 over here, installing Windows 10, because if we want to configure Windows 10, we have to have it in place. This is why it makes sense to open VirtualBox, install Windows 10 and start playing with it. I recommend you play with a virtual machine because you can break whatever you want. Even if you have Windows 10 on your laptop, don't play with it. Install VirtualBox, install Windows 10 and play with a virtual machine, because then you can always close it, shut it down and go back to your laptop. This is the easiest way to get ready for your exam. Open as many options as you can, play with all these features, and then you should have no problems passing the MTA exam. Again, here is a list of objectives, and we'll start with the first topic, understanding operating system configurations.